We're taking a trip to everybody's favorite. We're taking a trip to the West Village. And if you watch my West Village neighborhood guide, you know how strict landmark rules are in the West Village. So with that being said, finding a loft is very, very difficult. But one thing about life is that nothing's impossible, everything is probable. And we found a loft in the West Village. Let's check it out.
This apartment really stood out to me because it does a great job of mixing authentic pre-war charm with sleek and modern. It's the best of both worlds in one space. Let's check it out. Just off the hallway, you have this generous walk-in closet. You've got space for coats, bags, shoes, whatever you need. But let's make our way into the secondary bedroom. The secondary bedroom is super flexible. You have a layout that could work for guests, kids, or even a creative space. Then you have this sleeping loft up top. Right next to this bedroom, we also have the secondary bathroom. Then next to the secondary bathroom, you have this built-in office tucked away into the hallway with custom shelving and a sleek workstation. Behind these doors, you have a hidden storage room. This hidden storage room is super rare to me because you don't have to keep it a storage room. You can change it into whatever you need, and I think that's super flexible. But let's check out the primary suite. First up in the primary suite is the en-suite bath. In the en-suite bath, you start to get that modern feel. You have a deep soaking tub. You have a steam shower. Then over here we have this double vanity with LED lighting. I just think this bathroom have a solid mix of comfort and design. Now we make our way into the primary bedroom. Again, I think this primary bedroom give you that pre-war charm with the sleek and modern feel. You have the exposed brick over here that give you that classic downtown New York City character. Then you have these wide plank hardwood floors that you'll see throughout the home. Everything is just so intentional in my opinion. But let's make our way to the heart of the home. This 40-foot large great room, a sculptural marble-clad wood burning fireplace anchors the space. Then you have custom millwork, integrated sound, gallery-style walls. It's all done with intention, but still feels super livable and easy to enjoy. And then you have this open chef's kitchen. It's sleek, refined, and fully loaded with Miele appliances. You have a bold marble island here and a beautiful tailored cabinetry. This unit is in the West Village for $3.995 million. I really enjoyed this one. It was unique. You guys let me know what you think.
Before we finish